Before we begin, inspect the ball screw and nut for damage or contamination. Next, install the transfer tube carefully to keep the internal ball bearing secure. Now align the nut entry accurately with the ball screw thread for proper engagement. Slowly rotate the nut while transferring it onto the ball screw, maintaining steady alignment. Move the nut along the entire travel length to verify smooth and consistent movement. Finally, ensure the operation is smooth and resistance-free before machine installation. Now we will learn how to remove the nut from ball screw. Position the transfer tube firmly against the end of the ball screw nut. Carefully rotate the nut while guiding it onto the transfer tube. Continue rotating slowly to transfer the nut completely off the ball screw. Ensure all ball bearings remain secured inside the nut during removal. Store the nut safely on the transfer tube until reassembly is required. For such videos, please visit our website or YouTube channel.